Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to show you how to delete list from Trello board. For that we will go into any board that now you can see I have two lists from here. So I want to delete this section here as we don't have any important card section here. So just tap on this three dots option and go to archive this list. So in Trello, archiving list is equal to deleting the list. So if we want to see the archived items, you can go to this three dots option which is a menu button. Then go to archived items, go to switch to list, and then you will see all of the lists that we have deleted from your Trello workspace. This is how you can easily delete any one of your list from your Trello workspace. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.